I freaking did it, guys. Crashed my brand new bike. Only had it for a couple days. But this is the same day as my last video that I posted when I took it on the twisties. Wasn't gonna post a video just because I was embarrassed and just upset with myself. But hopefully someone could learn something from this mistake. I know I have. But let's just watch the video and I'll get back to you guys.
Are you okay? That's fuck the bike, bro. You have insurance.
Yeah, can you get the stand?
Yeah, dude. Oh. Okay, man. Leg, hand.
Bro.
How to beat that bad, bro? Fuck.
Oh my.
Alright, so we're taking this road that I've never taken before. Leo has taken it a bunch of times. He knows this road pretty well. He waves me to lead. So now I'm leading on a road that I've never taken before. So now I'm trying to be fast so I don't have to slow Leo down. So now I'm riding faster on a brand new bike that I don't know that well yet. It's heavier than I'm used to. It's faster than I'm used to. The brakes are really touchy. So this is just a recipe for a disaster. So the way I'm riding, I'm overconfident, riding above my skill level on this road that I don't know at all. And this road is really twisty, a lot of hills, unexpected turns. The main thing is just ride your own ride. If I would have done that, my bike would be okay right now. The biggest thing that I want you guys to take away from this is just ride your own ride. Be smart and focus when you're riding. Don't worry about the other riders that you're riding with. Don't worry about being too slow, trying to catch up. You know your skill level and just worry about yourself, because this can easily happen to you. Alright, so I'm going pretty fast. There's going to be the uphill right turn, not this one, the next one. But I can't see the next turn after that. And I'm going pretty fast. So this is the right turn. Can't see what's coming yet. Now I see the left turn. I'm going pretty fast. I start to freak out. I target fixate on the gravel and a stone wall. Now I'm hitting the brakes and the traction control is making the bike wobble. Then I hit the gravel, fall down. Now I'm sliding, bike rolls over. Somehow I land on my feet, get back up, trying to check on the bike. But this all could have been avoided if I just rode my own ride. And that's what I just want to stress for new riders and just any rider. Just ride your own ride. That will get you back home safely. Just being overconfident in your riding will get you killed. Like, I could have easily been killed if there was a guardrail or a cliff. This would have all been avoided if I just rode my own ride. So just be careful out there. I know I learned from my mistakes, and hopefully somebody else would learn something too. Now I'm hopefully getting the bike fixed soon. Gotta get the parts ordered, going through insurance and everything. These are the pictures. Just stay safe out there, guys. Ride safe.